Look, man, I tried to record this so many times. I went from feeling hot to feeling cold to my phone losing charge. I literally just got through recharging it. So I'm going to try to rush this, y'all. Forgive me if it sounds rushed, but trust me, the information is here. This is some groundbreaking shit. So we start straight off into it. The moon is not real. Anywhere where you have a moon, you have alien life, okay? It's because the moon is the alien spacecraft. All aliens travel space using moons. So a moon is not whatever the hell science told us. The moon is aliens' aircraft, okay? Peep game. I just recently told y'all in several videos that God Almighty I Am is not a sex. So religion has lied to you. God is not the father or God is not the mother. That's a sex. God is beyond that. God Almighty I Am is a massive body of pure, holy plasma water. Okay, and this water is the start of everything and the end of everything. This water exists everywhere at the same time and it can take shape of all things. This is what God Almighty I Am is. Now, if anybody remember, the moon right now is controlling the waters on Earth. The moon controls the tides on Earth. Pay attention to me. Just yesterday I told y'all the way to activate water is to shake it. In science, I believe it's called chaotic mixing, right? I'm almost certain, I'm pretty sure somebody get the comments and tell me if I'm wrong or right, but I'm almost certain that in science, the term is called chaotic mixing, right? So when you shake water back and forth like this for a period of time, you will activate it. You can do that with all liquids, by the way. By shaking it, you activate the materials within it. P-Pain. Aliens are not these gray beings with big eyes, monster-looking creatures that everybody wants us to believe. Aliens are hybrids. Aliens are the prior humans on Earth that decided to have sexual intercourse with fallen angels. Hear me. When these prior humans decided to have sexual intercourses with aliens, they mutated into what we call an alien. So they're half human and they're half fallen angel bloodline. Now y'all might be asking, but what was in it for the fallen angels? Surprisingly, which God Almighty I Am is still dealing with me on this, but the fallen angels wanted to be human. They wanted to be flesh and bones so that they can camouflage in. It's because the fallen angels were actually embarrassed after their decision, after, losing their high rank, right? Because if y'all don't know, angels are plasma beings. So they look like fiery lava humans, right? It's because they're full of plasma. So it's like pretty much sun people. They mimic how the sun looks, but just in human form. This is what angels are. They are solar angels, plasma beings, right? Another thing that y'all might know, and the angels that are on the side of God Almighty I Am reside inside of the sun. So inside of our sun are multiple angels. I'm talking about on the multi-millions pushing billions of angels sitting right inside the eye of the sun. And they are plasma beings, solar plasma angels. Okay, follow me. A part of the fallen angels' forbidden information that these hybrid humans have, the aliens, tells them this. So the reason why aliens are coming to Earth is because after they traveled all of space using their moons, they discovered that the real hidden energy of God Almighty I Am is here on Earth. God is here on Earth. The aliens, these hybrid humans, are trying to wage war with God Almighty I Am and his soldiers, which are these plasma angels. That's why all of the plasma angels are within the sun waiting for the day they pop shit off. The freaking acronym for aliens is Angels Living Inside Earth's Natural Sun. The whole freaking name of these hybrid demons tells the whole mission of what aliens are doing. Remember, unknown to me, nobody knew the role of angels. Nobody knew the role of aliens. Nobody got what aliens were supposed to be doing. You got conspiracy that claim they're here to take the souls of babies and they want our planet for resources. But none of this made sense. My dude, these aliens are here because they're trying to wage war against God Almighty I Am and the solar being angels. They want full control over this place. Let's talk about how the moon is affecting Earth right now. Unknown to a lot of people, the moon affects Earth tides, which is the water, mainly through gravity. Side note, gravity is not natural. God Almighty I Am did not create gravity. Gravity is created by aliens. Yes, gravity right now is the reason why so much of us are being controlled and dizzy. It is an alien-created technology, which the fallen angels gave to the humans that are now the hybrid aliens. And they use that gravity against us each and every day. So the moon is affecting Earth's waters through gravity. Peep game. The moon is slowing down the rotation of Earth. What do you think the reason of that is for? Remember I told y'all that if you shake water, you activate it. We know that God Almighty I Am is holy water, the pure plasma water. Before there was a moon on Earth, it was just the sun that operated Earth. Did you know that without a moon on Earth, Earth will wobble at a 10 to 20 extra tilt? So the wobbling of Earth was activating God. So prior to aliens coming into our atmosphere, Earth was full of God's energy. So when you hear people talking about a prior place that was a paradise where everything was beautiful and peaceful, that's some real shit. Our actual grandparents that y'all call ancestors was on a Earth without a moon. And because they did not have a moon, Earth wobbled. And the reason why Earth wobbled is because when the sun, solar energy, was all over Earth, from time to time, it would shake and wobble Earth to activate God throughout the whole land. This is why the land was prosperous. Imagine a person spinning a ball on their hand. Y'all know when y'all see people spinning balls on their hand, and you would notice that the ball would stay on the tip of the finger while it has the fast spinning motion. And as it gets ready to slow down and it's mass spinning, it begins to wobble to the point it falls over. Now, minus the falling over, this is how the sun, solar energy, operated Earth. Earth would spin very fast, and as it would slow down, it would begin to wobble, so that the waters on Earth, God Almighty I Am, could be activated. So while Earth would wobble, activate God, and then it would go back to its fast spinning cycle. But the moon is slowing those cycles down to control the vibrations of the water. Oh, man, I don't think y'all hear me, dog. The moon is where the aliens are, and the aliens are hybrid humans. They are half human, half fallen angels. We are not supposed to have a moon. Pay attention to that motherfucker, because that's where they